Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the procedures you can do to fix your Poco M3 that became so sluggish. Performance issues may occur every now and then, but just like any other issues of its kind, it's often fixable. You just have to do some procedures to be able to make your device work perfectly again, and that's what we're going to do here. With that said, here's what you should do. First solution, close all apps running in the background. Perhaps the reason why your phone has become so sluggish is because there are already a lot of apps running in the background. So the first thing that you have to do is close them and see if the problem gets fixed. Here's how you do that. Tap the Recent Apps key to view apps you've recently used. Now tap the X to stop them all in one go. Once you've closed all those apps, move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. The next thing you have to do is to refresh your phone's memory, as there's a chance that this is all just because of a minor system glitch. To do so, try doing the forced restart and see if that can help. This is how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After the restart, try to see if your Poco M3 is still sluggish or laggy. Third solution, factory reset your phone. Most of the time, lags and freezes can be fixed by the first two solutions. However, if the issue persists or if it occurs occasionally, then you will have to reset your device. A reset will fix this kind of problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files. When you're ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. To begin, launch Settings. Tap About Phone. Scroll down a little bit and tap Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data at the bottom of the screen. Now follow on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. It should take just a few minutes before your device becomes ready again. Once the reset is complete, set up your Poco M3 as a new device. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.